State prosecutors and attorneys representing Kim Potter made their closing arguments Monday. The manslaughter case against the former officer now rests in the jury's hands. Members of the jury, this case is in your hands, Hennepin County District Court Judge Regina Chu told the jurors. Now it's time to do your job. The state argued Potter was reckless and showed culpable negligence when using her firearm to fatally shoot Daunte Wright during an April 11 traffic stop. The defense says state statute backs their case. State, even nice people have to obey the law. Minnesota Assistant Attorney General Erin Eldridge claims that Daunte Wright posed no threat to those officers during closing arguments in the Kim Potter trial. Potter is charged with first and second-degree manslaughter. Daunte Wright's parents, Katie and Arbuey Wright, will have an empty seat at their table this holiday season because the defendant shot and killed him on April 11 of this year, argued Eldridge as she pointed her finger at Potter. Potter, a 26-year police veteran, says she intended to use her taser instead of her firearm. Eldridge argued the defendant should have known better. This case is about the defendant's rash and reckless conduct, argued Eldridge. It's not about her being a nice person or a good person. Even nice people have to obey the law. Eldridge argued that Daunte Wright's decision to flee doesn't matter in this case. Nor does it matter that Wright was high on marijuana, according to toxicology results, the state's case continued. Nor does it matter that Wright had a restraining order filed against him with a female passenger in the car, Eldridge argued. The prosecutor also said Sergeant Mychal Johnson, the third officer at the passenger of Wright's vehicle, wouldn't have been seriously hurt if lethal force hadn't been used. No one was dragged. No one was almost dragged, Eldridge told the jurors. The defense vehemently disputes those claims. Ladies and gentlemen and members of the jury, Sergeant Johnson had the time and the forethought to protect Alayna Albrecht-Payton from what the defendant had just done. She shot a driver and sent an unguided hazard down the road. The defendant didn't save Sergeant Johnson's life. If anybody saved Sergeant Johnson's life, it was Daunte Wright when he took a bullet to the chest, argued Eldridge.